welcome back to my channel Love Pharmacy. So this is one of the most important video, and in this video you can get a more information about the drug Senna. Okay, so before going into the video, so I'm keeping all the videos linely about the drugs. So make sure to listen all the videos, and if you like the videos, like and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And the video is Senna. So the biological name of Senna is Acacia angustifolia, so from the family Leguminaceae. So the biological source of the senna is it consists of the dried leaves. So the most part of the senna is leaf. So that leaf also has the dried one, and it should not contain less than the 2% anthracene glycosides B. So generally the anthracene glycosides are present in the senna. So the senna anthracene glycoside it should not contain less than 2%, and that is sinusoid B. And in senna, when you observe microscopically, so you can observe that covering trichomes. So these are the one of the most microscopic characteristics. And extraction, and the extraction which are done for the senna is the Soxhlet apparatus. So the chemical test which is done for the senna is Braun-Tragus test, and to test the anthraquinone glycosides. So here listen, to test the anthraquinone glycosides we are using the test is known as the Braun-Tragus test. Okay, but when it comes to the aloe, that is nothing but aloe vera, that is nothing but the aloe barbadensis. So for that aloe we will do the test that is known as the modified Braun-Tragus test. Okay, so both are anthraquinone and glycosides, but the difference is that here we are doing Braun-Tragus test for senna, and we are doing the modified Braun-Tragus test for the aloe vera, that is nothing but aloe barbadensis. Its structures. So you know that anthraquinone glycoside structure, that is three-membered benzene ring, and the examples of anthraquinone glycosides. So I have already told, that is aloe vera, that is we'll call it as aloe, that is aloe barbadensia, and it is having the three names that is known as the aloe. Like in this aloe vera there are three types of aloes, like aloe barbadensa, and cape aloe, and socotrime aloe. And socotrime aloe is also known as the aloe perry, and cape aloe is also known as the aloe ferox, and aloe is also known as the aloe barbadensia. Okay, and the chemical test which is done for this is modified Braun-Tragus test. Thank you, and comment for further topics if you want any information about this. Thank you.